Education is their only way out. If they don't have education, the only way is to go out into the fields, expose themselves to all kinds of abuse and trauma, and then eventually get married and continue that cycle of not being provided for and living in poverty.
I'm Aisha Valley, and today we are here at the Syrian border. We're not allowed to go through, but we're going to be helping the Syrian refugee camps that are on this side of the border. Those are the mountains, and Syria is right behind them.
This is the Syrian refugee camp. These people are away from home, a place they can't return to, but they can literally just look over their shoulder and actually see Syria.
Lebanon is going through an economic crisis. Things have deteriorated so drastically. Imagine the Syrian refugees now having to access things like education, food, electricity, and that's why it's so important for us to drive this campaign for the School of Excellence and give these kids the opportunity for a better future.
A 13-year-old's not supposed to have hands like this. A 13-year-old's not supposed to be on the field. I mean, I'm 3 times her age. Look at my hands and her hands.
والله وجع كتير كبير. يعني مغيرين وما عندنا كل شيء ما عندنا.
شلون العالم جاي يتعلم واحنا نحس مستقبلنا ضاع وتدمرنا، يعني حتى نفكر انه ما لنا حق نفكر ايش تفكير، يعني نروح على المدرسة او نلبس ثياب جداد.
Africa Muslims Agency, through the donations of the Dignity Tents, was able to provide them housing that is solid, alhamdulillah. But their problems still continue in that she's just 14 years old and she and her sisters have to go out to the fields every day to work from morning till evening for less than $1 a day because they are the breadwinners of the family. Their father cannot work, and so they have to go out and be exposed to dangerous environments, be exposed to physical abuse, mental abuse. So this is really an appeal from the heart. Be part of the sponsorship. Be part of changing the lives of these girls and these children through sponsoring the kids through the Aman School of Excellence sponsorship.